All right, guys, today we're making a video on how to program your key fob on your G35.
All right, so first step, what you want to do is obviously grab your key fob and you want to grab your key. You want to insert the key inside the ignition, in and out 6 times, and you will see the 2 hazard lights will start flashing. Okay. Now you want to grab the lock button, turn it, hold it, and it should have been paired. So then now you open the door, close it back, and now you can lock it.
So one thing to keep in mind, you have to have both doors closed, okay? If you don't have both doors closed, it will not go into this relearn system. So you have to have both doors closed. You insert the keys 6 times, you'll see it flash. If it doesn't flash, then you're doing something wrong. Try it again. He's not hitting the pedal, he's not doing anything crazy. He's just inserting the key in and out 6 times, and then he sees a flash. He puts it on ignition on, key engine off, and then he hits the lock button, and at that point they're synced. You can see it flashes. He opens the door and closes it. That finishes the sequence, and then he could open and close the doors with the key fob. So go ahead, show us that it still works. Yep. Perfect.
All right, so we're going to be programming the second key now, the key fob, and the same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lights flash. Turn it once. Hold the lock button. And then before anything, open the door and then close it. And now both key fobs work.
Okay, try the other one.
Now we'll see the other one.
Beautiful. So now you have
now
two
we
key
have
fobs.
2 key fobs that are working.
So hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure to comment and subscribe.